My name's Amy from Vanlux, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. This is the 2017 Mercedes-Benz V-Class Marco Polo camper. This vehicle has done just over 23,000 miles. It has a long wheelbase, automatic transmission and diesel fuel type. As we approach the boot, we can see that it's electric. As we go inside, we can see the kitchen, which is complete with a sink, cooker and fridge. We also have this foldable table and a double bed, which from the pictures we can see that these seats transform into. As we go into the front, we can get a good view of the pop top. On the steering wheel, we have features such as voice control and cruise control. We also have quick access to navigation, radio, media and Bluetooth. And if we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with parking sensors and a parking camera. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.